Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got another gear review. We've got this one. It is the Cedar Summit X Set 2, which is basically a mug and a bowl in a set. Particularly for hiking, this is what we use it for, and it's a good lightweight option, collapsible, all those things. So I'm going to run through all that with you now, and yeah, just run through some of the features, pros and cons, all that. So I hope you guys enjoy and get something out of this video. So inside this pouch is the mug and bowl. They collapse down to 1.5 centimeters, like width, height, whatever you want to call it. So pretty flat, and only weighs 180 grams for the whole thing, which I think is pretty good for a mug and a bowl if you need both those things. So the pouch is mesh, so it's all breathable. If it hasn't quite dried properly or anything, it's good that it just lets the air in and obviously lets any smells like get out, basically. So to take them out, just unzip it. That's super lightweight. And then here we've got the mug and the bowl. So it includes one X bowl and one large volume X mug. So you basically just like push the base of it. Well, you guys know how collapsible things work, but anyway. And then it basically just folds out into the bowl. So that's the bowl. It's pretty big. It's the size of my hand or palm. And the bowl's actually got like a cut resistant base. So it's actually quite hard. So if you have got, you know, your dinner in there, you need to cut some meat or whatever it might be. You can actually cut it against the bottom of that and it's not going to go through it or anything like that. It's not going to damage it. It's basically like a mini little chopping board on the bottom of the bowl, which is really handy, and also like stops a lot of the heat from getting through as well if you're holding the bowl from the bottom. Yeah, so we found this one really good. We basically just use that as a plate and a bowl. We just take that for both. And yeah, on all our hikes, it's been really, really good. Can't fault it, to be honest. Like that's really good. And then this is the mug, so same thing, just push through the base. And there's the mug there. So this mug actually holds 2 cups. On the inside it's got like the measurements to fill, the fill lines, whatever you want to call them, to measure every third and quarter cup, all the way up to 2 cups. So if you want a certain amount, you can just measure it on the inside here. Actually the bowl has that too. I didn't realise, I just saw that now. The bowl's got up to 500 mils in measuring. So yeah, that's handy. You can use the lines on the side. We've obviously never had to because we haven't used them before, but yeah, we just use our hot chocolates and stuff like that in this. If you had coffee, you could use it for coffee, cup of tea. Even if you had a small soup and you prefer that over the bowl, you could use it for that, just whatever. So it's got like a hard plastic rim, which is kind of like the base of this bowl, around the top of the mug, which makes it easier to hold when it's hot, so you can hold that and you're not going to like get scalded or anything like that. In saying that, I don't really use that, I just hold it as it is. I haven't been burnt or anything through it like that. It is silicone, but often when we pour it and then it's boiling hot water, I'll just like sit it down on something till it cools down anyway, because you can't drink it while it's too hot. Yeah, it's good it does have that option, makes it easier to kind of drink out of as well with the hard plastic on top. So yeah, they are made of silicone, but it is BPA free, and it's just a really good hiking option because it's small, it's lightweight, it basically does everything in one. Doesn't take up much space, super easy. Sometimes when you're cleaning it can be a bit hard to kind of get the food out of the little, what do you call it, I don't know, indents where it collapses, but honestly it's not an issue. We've had no issues really with these, and again we kind of winged it when we bought these. We didn't really know what we were doing, we were new to hiking. It seemed like a good option. We know Cedar Summit's a good brand, and yeah, so we actually paid nearly $50 for these, which I think is what they retail for in the whole set. So $50 for all of it. But I honestly, if you're going to get one, they do come on sale a bit, I think, or they might even be cheaper on like Amazon or something like that, I'm not sure. But I'll link it below so you can check the item out. It's definitely a good option. But yeah, I'm really glad we bought these ones because we've had no issues and it's literally been perfect for what we do. We definitely don't need a plate or anything. And if you really wanted, you could probably even just take one of these, like maybe the bowl, you could use that to drink out of if you really needed to, if you're really conscious of saving weight. But for 180 grams, I think that's pretty bloody good. So as I said, I'll link everything below if you want to check it out. Cedar Summit actually do like good like forks and cutlery sets as well, which we use. Although now these days we seem to just take like one knife between us and then like a fork each. Like we're starting to cut down on weight a bit, which they always say when you start out hiking, you'll obviously take more gear and more weight and everything. And it's not until you start that you kind of refine down what you need and become more conscious of it, sort of thing. So yeah, we're getting there. We're learning lots of things. I hope this has helped you if you're looking at getting one of these. And yeah, as I said, I would recommend. So I'll keep this video nice and short and sweet, and hope it helped guys, and we'll see you in the next video.